being a new Australian like 5 years here, to celebrate how great this country is. And my definition of a great country is a country that has done mistakes and they recognize it, rectify it on their own, and give a hand to other side along the shore to bring them over. To be a great country, like we've been told, does not mean you cannot make mistakes. Australia, at the moment, is the best place everyone would want to be in. If you want to take somebody to America now, you'll not go. You'll say, no, I'll stay here.
At least not New York.
But by mentioning America, I just want to say something. What is happening in America did not start yesterday. It started through suppression. The elite separating people from talking and then promoting divisions. Like the mainstream media is seeing here, instead of saying what we are saying now later, they will go and say, oh, Australia Day has got a lot of people who support it to be cancelled. And there is a few number here who support Australia Day. They're going to encourage that division. And what we are doing is to tell the world and the whole Australia that mainstream media and the radical left social justice warriors should not be allowed to tell us how we need to live. I am from South Sudan. The South Sudanese who came here, they came here because they've gone through their own conflict. The conflict that happened in South Sudan that brought more refugees here, Australia has no hand in it. Australia saw people that were suffering and gave them a hand and brought them over. South Sudanese that came here as refugees were received at the airport with the flowers, being welcomed by Australia. They told me I wasn't here. And now, because of the media and the left wing, and South Sudanese now has been stereotyped. The media has put the narrative that this is who they are, but that's not who they are. These are a result of a government that want people to depend on them, not to teach them responsibility. When you point out that how come teenagers run around at night, you will be called racist for pointing that out. Yep. The government will call you racist for pointing out, but in reality, there is a need for responsibility. Yep. There is a need for dialogue, not division. And to see a government, the whole of this last year, standing with a certain group of people, it's like a father or a mother siding with one of their kids or one of his kids against the other. There will be division. Yep. We need dialogue, we need to talk. A few minutes ago, I told Morgan when we were standing down here, I said, the responsibility for this group is to go into the communities. Tell them what Channel 9, ABC, 7 News tell you is not who we are. We are people who want to talk to each other. On this very day, I'm so proud to celebrate how great Australia is. Thank you very much. I hope to see you soon. Taking a knee.
Ladies and gentlemen around the world, this is today my end question to this video. And my end question to this group, all groups. Now I ask them a question, I ask him a question. And we said they bring him like a refugee Australia. And he's here 5 years. He's here 5 years. And he said, this is the best country women they have to be around the world. If they take him or they take you America, you will say, no, I have to be to this. I have to be here Australia. And he said, lot of refugees, they told him, the Sudanese, when they come here, they give them flower and welcome. Meaning is this group he enjoying. Now, this is the first my question I want to tell him. Now, when he knows this country, Sudanese, they told him they give them flower, and they are the best country women they have to be. Now I want him with this group to take them flower to attention refugees, to give them flower to thank you to welcome to Australia. This is the first question I ask him. Why this group he talking, meaning they give them Sudanese flower and welcome to Australia. And another question. He know he come, this is the country, best country women to be. And he know he come here like refugees. Now he have power to this group, and he have communication with this group, and it's a nice country to be. Again, he have to go to attention refugees to open them to go out. Why is the best country, not any country refugees they have to be. Meaning they have to be Australia. Meaning he have to go there. Now this group, they are the best country, this group, to open for them to come here. Now if they report America, mean he repeat to you, when they report them America, they say no, we'll come back here to Australia, we don't need to be America. We don't need to be another country around the world. Another question. He said, they bring him here like refugees. Australia, they bring him. This is my first question. He know who bring him here? To me, is I don't understand who bring him here. Another question. He said justice social media, they know how to tell them how they have to be. He think him to come Sudanese, they are not justice social media them to bring him here. This is my question I want to ask this group. This man, he come here about Australia, he come here is Australia, he decided to bring him, not the justice social media. This is another question I want to ask ABC. This man, he come here about to come here is Australia, not justice social media. This is another question I want to ask it's Channel 7. This man, he come here Australia, they bring him here, not social media justice. It is another question I want to ask Prime Minister. You believe when you bring this man, your government they bring here this man about is you, not justice social media. You are to bring him. You are not follow justice social media. Now to me is I don't understand how he come, why he come here. Countries they take refugees is the justice social media. They follow justice social media. How they talk with them to say you have to do this to follow justice social media to take these refugees. I believe I'm refugees. I'm not believing when I come here. Australia they bring me. I believe justice social media them they bring me here. This is my example. I give him example. These people they come with not justice social media. They're there to attention. Now you believe in your country, your country, the best country to be, they are a good society to be, women they have to be, they can be another country. Now we want you to go there to open them to come here. And this is another question I want to ask him a question. You believe this group you join, they believe you? They believe you? They join with you? You are one group with them? This is another question. Now you believe you join this group? You trust them? Is another question. A question. You say you are here 5 years. You are here 5 years. A year ago, there was against Sudanese, the criminal, the gangs. This time they bullying a lot of violence all African. I believe when I was walking in the street, some they were escape me. Some they were asking me, where are you from? I say I'm from Uganda. They said that is good to you. Now you're talking with the best country. That is the African. All the society African, there was the gangs. Now you are the gangs. This is my question of answering me. Why you saying you are here 5 years ago? Already this problem I ask you been here. Now you are the gangs. Now, this is I want to tell you, this group you join, to know them. This time they were talking abuses the African society Australia, they talking, they are not this group they were talking. I believe they were not this group. There was another group. Now I want to ask you a question. This woman, she do deadline society to ABC. This time, when they were talking about how they abuse the African, she say, na South Africa, women is white, they kill them. The abuses them. You think this is they were the protect you gangs? Not they were the protect people, they're not gangs. Not they were the protect Australia. Not they were the protect this group justice they bring you, justice social media they bring you. Not they were the protect this African South Africa white. Not they were the protect African South Africa. To me, no. They were not protect everybody. She talk this, you to continue to abuse you. Now you don't know which group they protect you not to abuse you. To me, you don't know which group. Group they protect you, they are the society, Australia. And look how he told you to talk with this woman you join with him with this group. They challenge you. She talking there was abuses you, and she say African white they abuses them. And she is no look already now you are the refugees, another you are people they are South Africa refugees, them they were the kill them with knife. And to this problem, South African refugees in South Africa, they were the double 100% white, they were the 40%. white, they were the 40%. Now to tell you, until you and Nazis group, you start to join with them, they need first to understand. And when you thinking with this group, they protect with a good country. What is the meaning of good country? They don't want to protect human rights. And what is why is a good this group they are a good country? Why they talking about social media and justice? They know how to talk. You don't understand where you are. To me, you challenge yourself. I ask you another question. Why you go there to talking? They not show people you talking with them. And why they put you there, you talking alone? No anybody another he talking. And you talking, you celebrate this day, Australia. How countries they're good. I want to tell you since I started my campaign. People they warn many in TV ABs, the two people. First I get one prime minister. He says stop it. And again he come back again and he said stop it. He have a video there to ABC, and a lot of people they see this video. And this woman, Naim, she told me stop it. And she come back again. Leaders all of them was to international. They start to talk. No, leaders we have to change. So country to have freedom talking. This woman, she go to TV, she say, yes, another country is there change, another country is not going to change. Now, when you look, this is my question, when you look, he against him herself for freedom talking, and he against her society freedom talking, and he against her brothers, sisters freedom talking. Now you believe you close with him, is not going against you again? She's not going against you again? And I repeat again. Every I talking, she go to TV, she go to Deadline, she started to make me campaign. Ngwama use big language. To sing with these people, he talking with them, he do them interview to support how he's thinking. Meaning he goes there to make a campaign to blame me, legal I did and why I use big language. Go to all Deadline. You receive this how she doing a campaign about me to against me. And this is TV is not her job to do campaign to against someone. To do campaign government nguhimu to against someone, government to lose human rights. What language I use? Big language. I ask you question. All Australian, all around the world, what language I use? Big language. Is no talking big language I use. He's saying I use big language. This is the language he's talking when I use a big language. Body, they are a body. Every you have to your body is a body. They have a name. Now he want me to say when someone they attack him, he lost leg, me to say to say nguzekati, so these people that attack him, he lost leg. He lost body. Meaning when he lost body, he lost all her life. The meaning. When I sent he lost body, meaning he lost all body, all her life. Now, when I talk leg, people they are going to understand that these people are talking still alive, is alive, now he lost leg only. Now, all of her body, they have a name. This is the ear, this is the eyes, this is the nose, this is the mouth, this is the teeth, this is the shoulder, stomach, leg, finger, foot. All bodies they have a name. Many, penny is the body. Pussy is the body. All of they have a name. They have the same name. They have everybody they have different. Now he want me to use into the abuses of women society body. Now who going to understand which body I talking? When I talking body and all the parties of the body, who society are going to understand what body I talking? And already they have a name like another body. When you know someone he talking knows is not criminal, he can be criminal. And when you think someone he talking ears, he can be criminal. And when you know someone he talk head, he can be criminal. Now why him he do campaigning when I'm talking the name of this body? Why he doing this? To want to abuse me, to use the power to abuse me. Why always she do this campaign? She against the society Australia. The one I talking about the non body, they use the body society body for work. They thinking they use them from work with the body with the arm, not with the head. Meaning to show someone front, me to show him back. He go back and not show him front. Now to me, don't think he against me. He against all local Australia. She against all local Australia. She against all the people that work in the government. She against all leaders Australia. She against all her brothers and her sisters. And look how you the against. When you hear this sound, you hear all of the lot of the sound children. Now look how they destroy children to bring them to training them to abuse each other, not to close each other. Tomorrow to find they have the stress. And when we talking with them to solve the stress, them they started to against us and we were not talking. Now to me, I repeat you again. You don't know group we don't understand the group, which group you join. Me when I know this story they come, I was record every to do society interview. I was record him how she talking. Now this is a come. I don't understand when you come to talking this bullshit. I don't understand. Now this is my question. You think he abuses me? now you think I know you are smart, you understand why, and you say in your society you want to talk to each other. You want to talk to each other, not to be active, not to act your dream. You want to talk, why you want to talk to each other, and you want social media justice. You are not allowed to tell them to do this, and the one man is not allowed to tell them to do this, and why you tell them to go in front society to tell them this, to do this. To me, you don't know where you are. Already when I go to your video, I start you complaining, people they complaining to you, you are not talking yourself, you're talking on behalf of another. Now me, when I see your video, I start to know you're talking on behalf of another. And I was not check your video, I publish a video, I comment to your page. And again I say no, go to your page, her page to look him good, to know her page, how they work. When I going there, I find this video, and already this video they're talking, you have a lot of video, you did 2 interview, and I am going to look in this to find this, to want to hear this interview you did, they know there you'd read. Now, ABC News, social media, every social media share with me, with this man my video. Our video, he delete me to our page, I can comment there. And I told him he have to comment to me. And I told him I share her page, or if you go to my page, I have her page. Now he delete me, I'm not allowed to comment to her page. And I'm not allowed to send him a message. Now, this you're doing to help society. When you know you're doing to help society, they are not allowed to delete this, my comment. Now me, I'm a society, I comment there, I need you to support what you're doing. When you know they help you, what you're doing, they protect you, meaning that means they protect me. Now me, I believe what you're doing, they're not going to protect society. I believe they're not going to, you are not honest to talk to you. People is not honest to Australia, is that don't like a government. People is not honest to want to talk about freedom with the is the true society travel freedom. You have to know is not protect society Australia. When you are not protect society Australia, you are not protect the government. Now government they are a society. When you see Prime Minister against freedom, don't think he protect government. No. Is not protect government, and is not protect society. And when you look when I'm talking to you against me, they send you to against me. I repeat again, I meet you like 4 times, not 5 times. You want to close with me, every I sitting, I see you there. Me, I'm smart to you, I start to understand you, you follow me. I never close with you. Now when I hear your video, are you going to find, oh, how I judge there was a true. How I judge you with me, I was a true. And now looking with the true, you delete me to your page. Now I talking ABC. Sorry, I talking to BBC. Share my video all around the world society. And leaders and politicians. Them to receive my video. This is my end video to give them to comment to them. And share with the Prime Minister Scott Morrison. And share with this woman he do interview society. he asks them about freedom, freedom, how they're going to be. And I remember she was doing another people, after they come to he started to ask them, they say, no, don't ask us this question. They bring us violence outside. And you have to know that if we ask you this, now him or she want information only to know you. To know you. And you have to know, I talking a true story, him is not support freedom. She is not support freedom. She is not support freedom. I look ABS, I look SBS, they do deadline. I look ABS, ABC, they're doing another deadline. Is the one only. I know him everything, how her thinking everything. Now I repeat again. I see to channel BBC, sorry, SBS, they take people over South Africa, another country, them to going to learn experience family. Now when I talk this, don't talk I'm fighting you. I'm not fighting you. Me, I talk with you to see you can change to protect your society, now you will protect yourself. You don't I'm talking to Prime Minister to go to learn experience, and I don't like him. Meaning I like him, I need him to like you talk to people, continue to go to university to get another master. Meaning people, when he tell you go to university to get another master, meaning he love you. Now me now when I told you go another country to learn experience family, society, I talk to Prime Minister to go learn in another country to learn experience family, meaning don't say ngwa against him, no. Meaning I support him to think we can get more experience, to think he can come to protect us, to think we can make us together, to think he can stop us to groups. These groups, they're not going to make us together. Freedom, they make us one group. Freedom, they make us one group with slow violence. Now I believe you, why I send you another country to learn experience family. I send you there, you to learn experience family, now to understand where you are. And I retouch, when I talk with this, I start to comment to them. Some of them start to send me video. Now I forget to take link. Now I have one woman white. Now I have a lot of women. Lot of there was a woman, there was not many video. They go another country, they start another country. Now I retouch this video link to this video, you will listen. Now you, when you go with like this woman, you will come back here, you will start to make your country the best country around the world. I repeat again, like a Jiro Bishop, she was talking, we want to make our country to be first country around the world. Now you will come here to do this. You and we Prime Minister Scott Morrison. I'm not against them to talk this, to say we're against them. No, I want you to come here to enjoy, to be comfortable in the street, to enjoy life. Everybody, this woman, she do him deadline. Now if you will be quiet, my experience, she will know you. Now if you will be you answering, you will get problem. Now if you are not answering, you will get problem. Now to this interview, to this woman, be careful. Be careful. I don't want to be her society to have freedom, independent. I told you everything, how she thinking, how she talking. When I was ready to record the video, I recorded this, all I'm talking, I put here to video. You yourself to listen yourself and to start to know what I'm talking is the truth. What I'm talking is the truth. This group, they challenge children, them to be with Cinderella and Bulen, to start tomorrow when they get distressed to hang on them herself. To hang on them herself. And in this group, why they not show them in the camera, you can find them like you. They like you. Now you go to TV, now you're talking, you don't know what you're talking, and end you say society we have to talk to each other. And you say with social media, the justice is not allowed to talk about this, to do this. And one of the people is not allowed to tell society to do this. And already now you say you are the society we want to be together to talk to each other. You don't know how you will be in your talking. Go to your video. I ask you a question, why you delete video, they comment to you. I like this video, to them to receive, to start to teach you how you have to talk.